What's up, guys? It's me, Hunter, here, back in another video for y'all. And today, guys, it's been a while. This has been my first video ever uploaded on my GoPro. And today, guys, well, first of all, it's raining. So, we are gonna go do some flips on the trampoline. It's gonna be wet, I'm gonna be slipping, falling, and everything. Y'all gonna be laughing at me, so y'all know how that is. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is a little noisy outside, as y'all can tell. Ooh, this cold too. There's the boat. That's gonna be coming up for a bass fishing video soon one day. So yeah. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go get Evan and them real quick. Evan, Heath, y'all come outside. No. Why? What? I'm not getting wet. Well, Heath is only the one coming in clutch. Let's go, Heath. Come on, it feels good. Oh my God, it's cold. Woo! Heath, just send it. No, not gonna work. I about lost y'all. Let me go get my chest mount. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. We're having some technical difficulties, but I got the chest mount on. We got Heath right here rocking the Salt Life Switch. So turn around real quick, boy. Yeah, boys. It used to be mine when I was like, I don't know, 10 years old, something like, or like 5 years old. Heath, how old are you again? 6, 7? Heath is literally twice the size I was when I was his age. Anyway, real quick, guys, let's make sure we're filming. Yep, we're filming. Let's go! Woo! Got the ladder. This is how we gonna get up most of the day. Front flip. Back flip for y'all real quick. Oh my God, that is cold. What about a double foot off the house? Air spin. How about the back flip? Oh my God, I about fell off. Front flip. Come on up here, Heath. Come join the party. Oh yeah? Handstand, anyone? $180? Oh God! The trampoline broke. Yeah, it rusted in half, boys. Guys, the trampoline broke. Oh, well, it'd be alright. Woo! But it is cold. Yeah, the trampoline rusted in two. The trampoline rusted in two with me on it. Yeah, come look. I mean, you know, it's still jumpable and everything, but it rusted into a bit. Oh, I've been putting some of that Guggenline on it.
Move, Heath. What are you doing?
Walking on top of it. Anyway, guys, that's all I'm gonna do today because I'm frozen to death. We're gonna get a battery for the lawnmower soon. And we'll go fishing in the canoe over there. So, yeah. That's another video. So, yeah. Peace. And we'll catch you on the next one. Later. Oh, wait, hold on. Later.